Let's do this. Being contested. That's not being contested anymore. Alright, we got it. Now it's being contested. Get away from Alpha. Goodbye. Oh, the grenade got me. Darn. I didn't notice the grenade right then. No, we don't have them all yet. Or, oh yes, yeah, they don't hold them all yet. We still have Alpha. Get out of here. I'm getting much better with the shotgun. Ooh, watch this. Where are you going? Oh, crud. No! No! I missed. I know. And I missed both my shotgun shots because the guy jumped, but I wasn't even going after that guy. It's all mixed up now. I know for a fact one of them was trying to snipe. Because I was going after him. There's a lot of them up here. Oh, dang! If I went up there with a shotgun and that grenade didn't go off, oh god, there's a lot of them. Alright, time to do this. Shotgun. Now, start off with the machine gun, then move into a shotgun. Let's get closer. I think they've got a vehicle. Goodbye. Oh. Wow. I'm doing a lot better. Well, you know, I got my on days and my off days. This is definitely an on day. Gotcha. Oh, guy behind you. That doesn't matter to me. I still had a kill streak going there. Yeah, I'm on your team. Yeah. That was a cluster bomb, I believe. If I'm correct, that was a cluster bomb. Yeah. Man, they're gonna win this one, and then we're gonna have to take the next one if we want to stay in this. Oh man, darn. Alright, that doesn't matter. I'll come back for the tank. That's pretty funny, because then once you get those weapons, you'll have the stuff. Are you an idiot? Why would you shoot at me from that distance? They tried to cluster bomb me, but it didn't work. Keep firing. Die! What are you, a vehicle or a human? Oh, you're a human, wow. Hey, whoa. Let's talk about this. Well, I kind of knew that they were going to stop us. Oh no, we're stuck now. We're stuck. Yeah, dude, keep shooting at the freaking... Yeah, good. You destroyed it, hopefully. Man, we're on fire, but we still got yellow health. We're moving into the green, I think. Slowly. What a shocker. Wow, they're just about to get swarmed. Star position. And whoever opposes will die. I didn't know they had a tank. Oh, he got shot in the face. Ooh. We're getting attacked. We're getting attacked. Oh, he got us. Darn. Man, tank down. I did so good. Almost took Bravo. In fact, that's where I'm heading now. To Bravo. Oh, bless you. Yeah. Good one. At least I wasn't writing a paper. Man, we're losing this. Dang. They're holding their positions pretty well. Man, I don't like this. I'm in a wide open area. I have to protect myself on all sides. Oh, crud. Oh. Oh, no. I just want us to capture B. I'll be happy if we even just only do that. Where the frick are they? I see them on my map and then I can't see them. Taking Charlie. Ooh, airstrike. Airstrike. Okay, I gotta give that one to them. Oh god. Dang, dude! What the frick? They're just waiting for stuff to pop up. Okay, I have another Humvee. Drive. Oh, dang. Thank the Lord that I got that. But my trigger finger just didn't get him. Captured Charlie, but we're still gonna die. Yeah, I know. I don't know where the sniper is. I know where the guy with the machine gun is that was trying to snipe with his machine gun. Oh! Oh, I got robbed on that one. I was like, shot him through the window and I shot him again, like barely like a half shot, but that still should have got, oh, I got the kill assist though. Alright. I'm moving to A, and I look secure. Unless they already secured it before, yeah, he secured before I got there. I'm going into the mountains. I'm gonna stop him. Hello. Oh, goodbye. I guess you flew away. Well, we lost, but I had some good kills. I liked that match anyway. Yeah, I went 13 and 13. Wow. Okay, so my ratio is 1, and I got an assist. So, alright, well, this has been Girl Boy 97, signing off.